Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Dr. Vikas Kamra. In the previous two videos of data structures, I covered the numericals of two-dimensional array and three-dimensional array. You can find the link of those videos in the description of this particular video. Today, we'll start with the new topic from Unit 2 of data structure, that is stack. And we are doing the first application of stack, that is evaluation of a postfix expression. I will tell you what is a postfix expression. First of all, if I'll write an expression like this, a plus b, where operator comes in between the operands, it is infix expression. If I'll write like AB plus, it is postfix expression. Here, operator is coming after the operands. So, if I'll write like plus AB, then it is prefix expression. Here, the operator is coming before the operands. So, now our topic for today is evaluation of a postfix expression. I am taking an example of this expression 5, 6, 2 plus multiply 12, 4 divide minus. So as you can see, it is in the form of a postfix expression. So there are 9 elements in this postfix expression. I have written here as first is 5, second is 6, third is 2, fourth is plus, fifth is multiply, sixth is 12, seventh is 4, eighth is divide, and ninth is minus. Now, I have to find out the value of this particular postfix expression. If it was in the form of infix expression, we can easily find out the value by simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But to evaluate postfix expression, we need the stack data structure. So let us start with the example of stack. The algorithm first I will explain, then we'll solve this example. So now moving to the next page. So very first step of this algorithm is add a right parenthesis, means right bracket, at the end of given postfix expression, because it helps like a flag or sentinel character, which means the expression is finished once we are scanning the expression from left to right. The step 2 starts the scanning of the given expression. We need to scan the given postfix expression from left to right, one element 1. Then we need to repeat these two steps, step number 3 and step number 4. And they are very simple steps. You can say if an operand is coming while scanning, we need to push it onto the stack data structure. So I'll explain once again. If an operand like 2, 3, 4 is coming, you simply have to add this operand into stack data structure. And if an operator is coming, then this step 4 will be helpful. What you have to do if an operator is coming, you need to remove top 2 elements of the stack, then apply the operation on both of those elements, means the operator which is coming, you need to apply that operator on the top 2 elements which are popped from the stack. And last, you need to push or place the result back onto the stack. So there are 3 sub-steps in step 4. After completing all these 3 sub-steps, you need to again go to the next element and repeat the algorithm for step number 3 and step number 4, and continue this until the stack becomes empty. So until the stack have some elements, you need to repeat step number 3 and 4. Once stack is empty, you need to exit. So this is a very simple algorithm. So now we'll cover the example. So The expression which is written as Q here, it is the infix expression. The expression which is written as P here is the postfix expression. As you know, the first step of algorithm was add a right parenthesis at the end of expression. So this is the 10th element which is added at the end of postfix expression. So now there are 10 elements in the expression. So 10 steps are required to solve this problem. So step 1, start scanning the expression from left to right. So very first element is 5. So if 5 is the symbol which is scanned, push it onto the stack. So this is the content of stack and this is the symbol which we are scanning. So if 5 is coming, which is an operand, it is added to stack. Next symbol is 6. Now again push it onto the stack. Stack means last in and first out. Now next symbol is again an operand. Push it on top of stack. Now the content of stack became 5, 6, 2. Now the operator came. So step number 4 will be executed here. So if operator is coming, we need to pop two elements. That means 6 and 2. Apply the operation, that is plus, and the result 8 is again pushed into the stack. So this is the main logic. If a operator comes, you need to pop two elements and again operate those elements with the operator and push the result back onto the stack. So now the new contents of stack become 5 and 8. Again, next is multiply. So you need to pop 8 and 5 from the stack, apply 8 into 5, which becomes 40, and push it into the stack again. So now content of stack became 40. Now next element is 12. So 40 and 12 are the new contents of the stack. Next element is 4. So now 40, 12 and 4. These are the three elements into the stack. Now next is your this divide symbol. So now operator is coming, remove 12 and 4, apply the operation 12 by 4, and the answer 3 is again pushed into the stack. Now next is again an operator, which means minus. So 40 minus 3, which is 37. So this 37 is again pushed into the stack. Now the last sentinel character, that is right bracket, which we added initially at the end of the expression. If this bracket come, pop this element and this will be the answer of this particular problem, which means the evaluated value of the postfix expression is 37. So this is the solution for this particular example. Now you can see it clearly. So now we have performed all the operations and we got the answer as 37. So I hope you understand this particular example of evaluating a postfix expression. You can check the answer with this particular infix expression as well. So when you solve this infix expression, answer is again 37. So it will verify that our algorithm is correct, our answer is correct. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, that will be very important video, we'll convert an infix expression into postfix. That question always comes in your exams, infix to postfix conversion. So in the next video, you can watch that particular example and its algorithm. And please share this video with your friends in another section and your other friends which you are studying with them. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected. Thank you very much.